In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template for Webflow. By the end, you'll have a reusable page template with the right visibility and SEO settings ready to roll across your project. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and open the Pages panel. If you don't see it right away, use the panel's search field at the top to quickly find what you need. Just start typing to filter. When the Templates area or the collection you plan to template appears, select the highlighted option to move into the template controls. Inside the Pages panel, locate the Templates section and choose New Page Template. This opens the template setup. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so teammates know exactly when to use it. Right below, add a short, human-readable URL slug. Keep it lowercase, use hyphens instead of spaces, and avoid special characters. This helps with both readability and SEO. Next, adjust visibility. Open the visibility drop-down, which is set to public by default, and switch it to anyone with the password if you want to keep the template private while you build and review it. This is a great way to prevent unfinished layouts from being publicly accessible. Be sure to store any password securely and share it only with collaborators who need access. Open Access Control to refine who can view the template. Use the highlighted controls here to set the appropriate restrictions and confirm the change so the setting sticks. When you're collaborating, aligning these controls with your workflow helps avoid accidental exposure of draft content. Now add your SEO details. Click into the Meta Description field and write a concise, compelling summary of the page's purpose. Aim for 1 to 2 sentences that include the primary keyword and clarify the value of the page. Then review Sitemap Indexing. If the template isn't ready for search engines yet, toggle indexing off so it won't be crawled or listed. You can re-enable it later when you publish final content. Open the Open Graph settings and ensure your social share title, description, and image reflect the template's intent. This is what platforms like Slack, X, and LinkedIn will show when a link is shared. If your project supports it, add a search description as well to improve on-site search relevance. When everything looks good, click Create to finalize the template. You've now set up a structured, reusable foundation with the right access and SEO safeguards, ready to speed up consistent page building across your web.